That means that you can experience some symptoms like vaginal dryness. Vaginal dryness, of course, makes us not want to have sex. If it doesn't feel good, we don't necessarily want to do it. Many women wonder how nursing their baby can affect their libido, and it can happen in a couple of different ways. First and foremost, you have a brand new baby, a new connection, a new life that you're supporting. A lot of times, for a lot of moms, all of their energy is focused on this little human being. And so their focus, while being on this little human being, they sometimes can forget the big human being that got them into motherhood in the first place. And so sometimes we become a bit distracted and our libido kind of wanes or shifts where our focus is more on our little baby. Also, if you're nursing, this is a time where your prolactin levels are at their highest. That means that you can experience some symptoms like vaginal dryness. Vaginal dryness, of course, makes us not want to have sex. If it doesn't feel good, we don't necessarily want to do it, and that can cause a low libido. Also, you're hormonally all over the place right now. Cut yourself some slack. You may have a lack of interest in sex and sexual activity, and that's okay. Those things will come back to you as time goes on. But certainly if this is of concern to you, be sure to talk with your OBGYN. She may have some additional tips and tricks to get you back in bed with your lover and having sex in no time.